habang pinapanood ni Sky. Hinuli niya, guys. The best training for our cats. See, concentrate po siya na pinanonood ng ating daga na nakikita po niya sa phone. So, tinitingnan niya po kung paano niya at pinagpapaluhan niya po kung paano niya po ito huhulihin. And look what happens next. OMG. Ang daming daga, Sky. Go catch it. Whoa, now. This is the best training we should do for our cats. Look at. He is wondering what he will do to catch the rat. Tinitingnan niyang mabuti, guys, kung paano niya po mahuhuli yung mga daga na nandoon sa cellphone. Wow, good job!